If you've been experimenting with AI image generators lately, you've probably noticed something frustrating. You come up with an amazing idea in your head. Maybe it's a cinematic scene, a fantasy character, a product mockup, or even artwork for your business. You type what seems like a perfectly reasonable prompt into your favorite AI image generator, hit generate, and then the result is nowhere near what you expected. Maybe the hands look strange, maybe the face looks unnatural, maybe the colors feel completely wrong. Or sometimes the image is technically good, but it doesn't match the vision you had in your mind. And then what happens? You start tweaking the prompt. You add a few words, you remove a few words, you search online for prompt examples, you watch tutorials, and before you know it, you've spent an hour trying to create a single image. If that sounds familiar, today's video might be worth watching because I'm taking a look at a new tool called PixelCraft Prompt. The goal of this software is pretty simple. Instead of spending your time learning prompt engineering or trying to memorize hundreds of special keywords, PixelCraft helps build professional AI prompts for you through a simple visual interface. Now let's take a closer look. The first thing I noticed is that the platform is designed to be beginner friendly. You don't need technical knowledge, you don't need experience with AI art, and you definitely don't need to understand complicated prompt structures. The process starts by simply describing your idea. It can be something very basic like a cat sitting by a window, or it can be something detailed with characters, environments, lighting directions, and specific creative concepts. Once you've entered your idea, that's where the interesting part begins. Pixelcraft gives you a collection of visual options that you can mix and match. You can choose different art styles, different lighting setups, different color palettes, different camera perspectives, different moods and atmospheres, different rendering styles, and several other creative settings that influence the final image. Instead of guessing which keywords work best, you're simply selecting options from organized categories. As you make your selections, the software automatically assembles everything into a structured prompt designed to work with AI image generators. What I personally like about this approach is that it removes a lot of the frustration. Many people don't struggle because they lack creativity. They struggle because they don't know the exact wording that AI models respond to. Pixelcraft attempts to bridge that gap by handling the structure for you. Another feature highlighted by the creator is something called the Quality Anchor System. According to the sales page, this adds additional optimization elements to every prompt with the goal of producing cleaner and more consistent results. The idea is to reduce some of the common problems people run into when generating images, such as distorted features, awkward anatomy, or inconsistent compositions. Now, of course, no tool can guarantee perfection every single time because AI image generation still depends on the model you're using. But having a structured prompt system can definitely improve consistency compared to random trial and error. Another thing worth mentioning is compatibility. You're not locked into one platform. The prompts can be used with a variety of popular AI image generators, including Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, Adobe Firefly, and several others. That means if you're already using your favorite image generator, you can simply create the prompt inside Pixelcraft and paste it directly into the platform you prefer. So who is this actually for? In my opinion, it could be useful for content creators who need thumbnails and graphics, affiliate marketers creating promotional visuals, print-on-demand sellers designing artwork, bloggers creating featured images, social media marketers, freelancers, and even hobbyists who simply enjoy creating AI art for fun. The biggest benefit here isn't necessarily creating something impossible. It's saving time. Instead of spending hours experimenting with prompts, you're using a structured system that helps you get closer to your desired result much faster. Now let's talk about pricing. At the time of this review, Pixelcraft Prompt is being offered at a launch price of $17 as a one-time payment. That includes lifetime access with no monthly subscription fees. So if you're someone who regularly creates AI-generated images and you're tired of constantly guessing which prompts work best, Pixelcraft Prompt may be worth checking out. Overall, the concept is straightforward. Make prompt creation easier, reduce the learning curve, save time, and help users create better AI image prompts without needing advanced prompt engineering knowledge. If you'd like to see more details or check out everything that's included, you can find the link below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.